If your contact's hanging while you're on vacation, create an automated message including information about when you'll return. Before I start this video, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that you can get all the latest videos and updates instantly. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
Okay, in this tutorial I'll be talking about how to set up an automatic reply in Outlook web app, and this will allow you to send notifications to people who email you that you're going to be away for a few days. So the first step is to go to your settings. So let's go to settings and automatic replies. The automatic reply window will pop out, and you need to select the option to send automatic replies and check the box to set up a time period. Click the calendar to set a start and end date, and you can even manipulate the times. You have the option to block off your calendar for that period of time so people will be able to see that you're out of the office. So you can block off your calendar, automatically decline new invitations, and set up a custom message. Notice that you have the opportunity to do this for inside the organization and also for outside. When ready, hit OK, and it saves the automatic reply. If you want to cancel or turn off an automatic reply, go back to the same area, Settings and Automatic Replies, and turn off the automatic reply.
If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in next episode of Get Smart. Peace.